Okay, maybe you tried reciting affirmations like, my partner is faithful and loving throughout your day with timers, diligently for a few days, few weeks, then a few months, hoping these words would change your reality and manifest what you want, right? So yet you saw maybe little movement in your world and then no changes at all. It's a familiar experience for a lot of people, so you're not alone. This repeating phrases with the hope that they'll manifest in our lives. But when there is a clash between these affirmations and our actual experiences, it can feel less like being empowered and more like self-deception. You might even feel like you're a fraud, like this is all just a lie. You might feel like you're not powerful enough, as though there is something specifically wrong with just you because of your situation. Doubts creep in, magnifying your feelings of insecurity and disconnection rather than soothing them. So here's a key insight. Affirmations are not about crafting or manifesting a new reality from scratch. They're not even about changing the words we use. It's not that. They're about uncovering and acknowledging what is already true, right here and right now, if you wish to use them. So affirmations, they don't create reality. They reveal it if you want to use them. So I'm Dr. theanilareddy, by the way, for my multi-module experience of no separation between you and wealth, you and money, you and resources, you and opportunities, and you and abundance. Check out my new course. It's called More Than Enough. I've linked it in the description below. And you'll find how it's different from my other mini courses in the link, in the page link inside More Than Enough in the description. So true affirmations are not tools to manifest or create a new reality, but they're declarations of the eternal truths that are residing within us once you recognize these truths for yourself. So the shift is not really in words, but the shift is saying from a place of lack, that my partner is faithful and loving, to fill a void because you're urgent, because you feel an urgency, you feel impatient, anxiety about coming from a place of lack, to shifting into a place where you're feeling more than enough, complete and whole. Then the affirmation becomes a declaration of truth that, of course, my partner is loving and thoughtful and loyal. Of course, we enjoy each other's company a lot. It's just a natural declaration. It's a matter of fact. This is not just a change in wording. It's a change in your state, which is your perspective. So this approach transforms the role of affirmations from seeking external validation to recognizing the abundance that you already are. You're not placing the experience of love or any other quality, money, whatever you want, on external factors or particular people. Instead, you're affirming that these qualities are inherent components of your being, that this is already the truth. So from this space, let's say in the field of wealth, instead of, I'm rich or I'll be rich soon or whatever it is, you begin to notice and naturally affirm that, wait a minute, abundance is always here. Abundance is who I am. Naturally, I'm abundant. So you recognize the flow of wealth not as a future event that you will achieve or that you have to convince yourself of, but as a current reality that you already are. When it comes to health, the affirmation changes into recognizing that vitality is your inherent state. You acknowledge health not as a conditional goal, but it's an intrinsic part of your existence. This is not about convincing or changing the words, like I said. So even when it comes to being peaceful, right? You want to change your mind. You recognize that you all are already that sanctuary of calm. Peace is not something you seek. It's something that you already are. And you can experience this when you recognize what and who you truly are. Whenever you choose to do so, there is no pressure, no time limits. So affirmations then, if you choose to use them, become a powerful way to connect with and express the truths that are already present within you. They're not about changing your reality. They're about recognizing the abundance, the love, and the peace. And yes, even the specific experiences that you want, that you're seeking, is already not only inside you, but these specific desires, all of them, they are you. So next time you stand before the mirror, when you're walking down with your friends or alone, remember you're not creating or altering truths. You're revealing the reality that is already present. You are that reality already. You are this reality. You just are. It's not separate from you, as you can see in my Why Separation is Impossible video, or in my new course, especially for wealth, called More Than Enough, linked in the description box below. So manifestation is not about convincing yourself of something new. It's about discovering and declaring what is absolutely true about you right here, right in this very instant. I don't care where you are in this world or what you're doing, but you are already this abundant, whole, specific reality. And my guided pauses help you see this. Questions like, am I aware? Am I aware that I'm aware of these sounds? Or really any other guided pauses that I've given you. For instance, who are you without your story? If you set all the stories aside, what is true of your life experience? Can you really say that you're less than enough? Can you really say that you don't have your partner, your specific person already? Lean into what I've asked you just now. You don't have to work hard at this. Allow yourself to see where these questions are pointing to and rest in this. And from this space, if you wish, you can bring to mind an affirmation or a visual. And now it'll just be a matter-of-fact statement that, of course, I'm loved. Of course, my life is great. Of course, things work out for me. Why wouldn't they? Why would it be anything less than amazing? This is not about convincing yourself. It's about seeing that this is already the case, because you are reality itself. It's not separate from you. You have always been and always will be abundant, loving, loved, prosperous, even in your specific desires. This is your birthright. Let me know your comments below.